Hi, in this video, we'll be going through host path volume. In Kubernetes, a host path volume means mounting a file or a directory from the host or the node inside the pod. Now, you can specify different things like a directory should be already existing or it should be created on the pod creation. And some of the advantages can include if you create a slash varlib docker host path, so a pod can use to access docker, or if you are running a c advisor, then slash sys can be used as a host path. And this is how the host path is created. So in the pod spec section, in volumes, you define the host path, and this particular path, which is slash data, will be created because the type here is directory or create, which means if it is not there, then it will be created, though type is not a mandatory field. So slash data will be on the node where the pod is pinned up, and it is mounted inside the container in the slash demo directory. So let's create this kubectl create -f pod, kubectl get pods, and let's exec it, kubectl exec -it host path pod. So the mount directory inside the container is slash demo. So let's go to slash demo folder, and let's create a file touch test, and after exiting it, let's see where it is running. kubectl get pods -override. So this particular pod is running on node 3. So I already have node 3 opened, and inside that it should be having slash data. So this is node 3. Let's go to cd slash data, and we can see our test file is already created. So whatever we created inside the pod, it is there. So that's how the mounting is there. So we have success. So we have successfully created a pod and used host path as the volume, and discussed its advantages as well. We do not use it for the production purposes. The reason behind that is, suppose it next time when the pod gets deleted and gets created again, gets recreated on a different node, then the files that were there on the host path of node 3 would not be on node 2. So there will be a mismatch in the files, and you will not get the desired result as expected. So that's it for this lecture. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.